So, let's look and start the live stream. Let's look how many people come to the live stream. I wait, it's relative late here, uh, 2 in the night. Let's look, I wait for you. You can request your wish crypto here, then we can look together. I'm a little bit wondering, yeah, it is 2 o'clock, it is Saturday or Sunday, and the people sleep at the moment. It's not, yeah, for normal people, it's okay that they sleep, but for people like me, in these hours, he's a little bit quiet, so I can analyze the Bitcoin price exactly. I wait. Let's see how many people come to the channel. I know it's a relative um, short announcing, but I think we can look together. You have now the time to request your crypto, and we can look together. Yeah, so I wait a little bit. I know it's a little bit late, but you can use the time for looking the cryptos. So one request here, you said 16,000 bottom is in. When do we buy again? You are a little bit fast because the 16,000, if you're looking here to the time frame, this was in these levels. Look here, 16,000, 15,000. Yeah. Um, at these levels, I said, okay, the price will go here to the higher levels. So the prediction was right. You can see the performance here, but you can see also that we see or saw a manipulation since April. Yeah. So please not listen, yeah, to the informations that is changing. So this is here another information, and this was buy. And here, due to the manipulation, you have to listen to another information. That means since then, I was bearish. Okay? Not say, okay, you say, okay, buy here and here, hold the time buying. No, since here we have a bearish signal. Let's look to XRP. So the XRP holder are a little bit excited. The price is going only 2 cents to the upside, and the XRP holders uh, going crazy. Yeah, so uh, I understand you wait that the price is going to the upside. There's a lot of manipulation, but you can see also the power of XRP. You can see 47 cent, $1, and this is a sign for us. The signs that the XRP price will go really hard to the upside. So if you're looking here to the XRP chart, then we see something. Yeah, so we can see that the downtrend here is still active. That means the price has no energy to go here to the upside. Yeah, the price will go to the upsides, but we have to test here some levels. The day will come in which you will see a reaction like this. Yeah? The price will fly, and we can say that the price will go in direction of, let me look, we have here, the price of XRP will go here between $40 and $60. Yeah. So, but this is how can I say, this is not the right time. Yeah. If you are long-term holder, yeah, then it's okay. You can sit here and say, okay, 50 cent is cheap. Yeah. If you are a short-term holder, then you can forget this. Yeah, you will win. If you are a long-term holder, then I would say, let's say in 2 years or 3 years, the price will go really hard to the upside. Yeah. So let's look here to Filecoin. The people sleep here at the moment, I think. Crypto holders, I would say sleeping is for normal people, but for crypto holders, these nights are a good possibility to look here to gem cryptos. So, what is your question? How far the price can go here to the upside? It's relatively easy. The reason is relative simple. You can see that we see here falling wedge. This is a sign for us, okay, the price will explode. Yeah. Uh, Everything is okay, but the problem is this. The problem is that we test this level so much. I make this in red that you can see this. Yeah. And that means this level of testing make this chart weak. That means the price has the possibility to break down to the downside. Yeah. So this is the prediction to the downside. We're looking at the moment to the upside. Yeah. What is the prediction for Filecoin? Maybe this is for you interesting. Forget the downtrend at the moment. You can take the membership, then I can predict for you the downtrend, how far the price can go here to the downside. For the uptrend, maybe you're interested in this information. I would say if I look here to the chart between 2024 and 25, we will see here massive movement like this. As you can see, very quick, the price will go to 400. Okay. I know some people not realize this, not understand why this will happen and so on. But these kind of cryptos are very relative hot. You can see also here, uh, really in this structure, you can see really the structure of this here is really ultra bullish. Yeah. So this is not the first time that I see this here. This is really aggressive. That means this crypto has the power to go here to $1,000. Yeah, easily. But the people don't understand the chart, so they have fear. The price will go here to $1,000. But if we predict here free and $1,000, then some people say you're crazy and so on. Yeah. But this is not. How can I say? This is not a prediction like with emotions. Yeah. This is a prediction. If I look here to the chart, is a pure technical analysis. Yeah. I cannot say so much here because if I say okay, you have to use this and you have to use this, then everybody knows how it is working. So looking to Anchor. So we're looking to this. Oh, very aggressive, very wonderful, really hot. Yeah. Um, you have here, how can I say, the chart or the price is very cheap, 002. Yeah. And you have here the possibility to make really fat gains long term because we have here W pattern. This W pattern comes to the end. You'll see here, I would say in less than 6 months or 1 year, You will see here W pattern. This is go like this crazy to the upside here. Yeah. The price will go here to, I would say, $2. Yeah. But the people not realize this, not understand this. The reason is if you look also to the chart, then you can see also the falling wedge here. So very bullish, very aggressive. Yeah. So this is one of my gems, and I will also update this in my membership, both next target or both end price target, that so that you have the last informations. Yeah, very wonderful. Look, if you once break here out, then we have a really good possibility to go really hard to the upside. Let's look here to render. Render is relative hot. Yeah. We have to find a really good chart. Give me a little bit time. So you can see here the manipulation really good. You can see also here the testing of this level. And that is the danger because we test this level so much. Look here. Yeah. This level will not hold. If you look here, $1.20, we test this so much. Yeah. And we have also signs that the price will break down. So if the price breaks here the $1.13 again, yeah, then you have to run because then we have the possibility that the price is coming in direction of 45 cent, yeah, and the price will go like this to the downside, yeah, zero. What that means long term, if you are a long term holder, that means you have good opportunities to make cash. You can see the difference. Look, people buy at $1.50, and if I would buy render, then I would buy render here at 20 cent or 30 cent. This is the difference, yeah, between you and I. So if I see this, you can get this also this information in the membership. Yeah, so there's no information what I hide or something like that. You can see here the wonderful falling wedge, and then it's getting interesting because from this level we will see here massive movement to these levels because we have here the wonderful structure. The price will come down. Yeah, you have here the last possibility. Yeah, this is your last possibility to buy at $3. you, you, sorry for the laughing, but you're not buying here at between 30 and 40 cent, but you will buy here at $3. Yeah, and then it will go relatively quick to the upside because we know from the Bitcoin price the uptrend is going like this, and long term, I would say 2025 or earlier. We have to look, yeah, end of 2024, 25. The price will go like this to $60, and we will break this. This is a uptrend. So I would say in a high area of the bull run, you will see the price at, I would say, 60, $50 like this. Yeah. So we're looking here to, let's look to Jasmine. Please make your membership of next target or of end price target. You can see below this video is a link there. You can ask for the membership. This is useful because the next months are relative hot. Yeah. So we're looking here to Jasmine. So we're looking to this area. The sad information is we have not so much chart here. Let's look if I can find a chart. This is better. You can see the whole power of Jasmine. This is wonderful. The reason is here. The price is going like this to the downside. What that means, you can see the the speed of the falling, yeah, is going slower and slower to the downside. You can see here fast and then sideways movement. And the next movement is like this. The price will go like this to the upside, and 40 cent or 30 cent is not the end target, because the end target is much, much higher. If I look to the structure, then I would expect just be in $2-3 areas. The reason is, if you look to this, if crypto lose nearly 100% to the downside, then you can expect this is going 1000% to the upside. But we're not talking on the surface. We are looking here to the details. Yeah, that means what power has this crypto? You can see, I zoom in, then you can see that we built here this structure. This structure is negative, pure negative, same like render. You can see we test this level so much. That means the price has the power to go really easily to the downside. What that means, you have now this information from my side. You in a normal case, yeah, I would give this information to my membership. You have now the possibility to buy here relative easy at these levels. Yeah, you can see we built the structure, left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and you have here really good possibility to get in the market near zero. Yeah, then it will go relative quick to the upside, because here people get fear. Yeah, they will not buy something. The exchanges are blocked, or can how can I say, the exchanges are blocked, and you have no possibility to get your money. Yeah, and this is a strategy from these uh, exchanges. And maybe here you have then possibility to buy here, and the next step is this. Yeah, so you have to be very quick at these cryptos. Let's look to Gigabyte. So also very interesting. I have to look here more in detail. Yes, this is positive. The reason is why this is positive is we have here the same or a similar uptrend like the Bitcoin chart. Yeah. So it is a little bit tricky, because normally we take this area as uptrend. Yeah, but the uptrend begins here a little bit earlier. So I would say, if I look to the chart, then the next target to reach is this level here. Look, the price will go in these levels to 12 cent. This is clear. If the Digibyte can break, or one possibility break, the another possibility is to come down here. If we can build this structure here, if you see a structure like this, then you can be sure that the price will go higher. Yeah. So we have this structure for our uptrend. This is wonderful. And I think even 30 cent is cheap. The price will go. Let me look. What is this? This is nearly 20 times higher. Look here, from 002 to 18. So I would say, if I look here to 18 cent, if we say 10 times, then we are landing at $1.80. Yeah, so this crypto has really power to the upside. Let's look here to Bitcoin Cash. You can request also in the membership of next target so that I can analyze this for you. This is no problem. Let me look what we have here. I have to find here a really good chart. Let's let's take Coinbase. Let's see, the chart is relatively old, very long. The chart of Bitcoin Cash is the same like the XCP chart. Yeah, same, really same. Yeah, so we see here, I would say 95% the same chart of the XCP chart, and you have the same behavior like the XCP chart. You can remember yourself, maybe we saw at the XCP chart here nearly 100% plus. You can see also here nearly more than 100% to the upside. Yeah, this is a signs of manipulation. That means the price will go like this to the downside. Yeah, and from this really hard. This is not good. You can see we test this level again, and this structure is one of the worst structure that you can see in the crypto world or in the chart technique. Yeah, that means the price will go here to the downside. In the another hand, we have a really good possibility in the next 2 years that the price will go easily to higher levels like this 4,000. Then this is the new Bitcoin. Yeah, this is the new Bitcoin, but the people not see this because they have no experience to understand this here. Most of you are really, really good, but most of the people have no idea. So you can see here a wonderful structure, left shoulder head and the right shoulder. I would say we have the power that the prices go easily to 60,000. Why this is so? Because this is the new Bitcoin. And that will here the new Bitcoin. And we have really here good possibilities to go higher. I would say 40,000 is also possible. The reason is, again, the structure is the reason here. Like, if you look to this structure here, look here. You have here this structure. This is a W pattern, yeah, and this W pattern gives us the information that something big is coming, yeah. So you can see the difference, 1,600 to $100. And if you see here a big difference here, yeah, then you can say the price will explode. You can see this in small. You can see this. Look, this was a small hammer. And then after this hammer, the price explodes to 1,600. And we have not a small hammer, we have a big hammer. That means the price will really go to the upside. Let's look here to algo. Then I would finish, I would say, in 5-10 minutes. You can use the membership Wolf Next Target or Wolf M Price Target to get these informations explicit for your wish crypto. Then you know, okay, this crypto has the power to this value, and you can invest smarter. Yeah? So let's look. Okay, algorithm. The same structure. Look, we have here the situation. very important that you understand. Look, do you see this? We broke the structure since 2019. Yeah, you can see this with your own eyes. What that means, we're going to the ground, means you have to test the first levels. In this chart, you cannot see the first levels because they not tell you the first value of algorithm. You see to the chart and say, okay, the price was here at 16 cents, but not in real. The price was in direction of zero. That means if you look here to this level, let's look here to the last step, then you can see this is a horrible formation. Horrible. I, how can I say? Horrible. Not good, horrible. Yeah. And the people don't realize what will happen next. We will get here a sell-off. Again, people who have no membership will lose money. This is the focus of them here. So you can see the last uptrend here. And the worst here is, please listen exactly. We are here in an oversold situation. Look, 30 is oversold. But you say, okay, oversold, I have to buy. You speculate, okay, the price will go here to the upside. No, this is the trick. Yeah, the price will break down to the downside. I would say 50%. Yeah, and then yeah, near zero. But the benefit is if you are a long-term holder now, usually this information would get my members, um, but you can also become a member, then you have this information also. This algorithm has a really good formation and a really good, how can I say, structure. And this will go like this to the upside. Yeah. And I would say if I look to this, then I expect the algorand price at levels of 20 or $24. It is crazy. Some people understand this, some not. The people who understand me is okay. People who not understand me is also okay, yeah. But uh, this has a really good power to the upside. We have to go only once to this levels back. Yeah, if we coming over 17 cent, then it's getting interesting because then we have to test only this level here. Look, do you see this? And if this is happening, you are too late. You are too late if you buy at 29. It is better if you buy at $1 or $1.50. But if you want make money, we're talking about money. Yeah, so if you some people will buy here at $1. But if you want, there's no financial advice, but here's a huge opportunity between October and I would say April, May. Yeah, these 6 months are interesting. If the whales stretch this formation, they can also make July. But here, I think we will see here bottom, and that means if we get here the structure to the upside like this, then the price will explode really hard. Yeah. This is not the question is not um, if this will happen. Yeah. The question here is when. Yeah, it will happen. The price will fly. But the when is, I would say, 6 months, 7 months in this area because we are nearly 90% finished. So it's relative easy to make a prediction because 95% is finished. So we're looking here to QNT. Let me look what we have here. Let's look here to QNT. Below this video, after if I finish the live stream, below you can find a link. You can write me an email and say, okay, I wanna become a member. Then I can send to you the instructions or informations. Then if you are interested, you can become a member and you get these informations every month from my side. Not only one, you can also get um, the requests from other members. Yeah, if 20 members request for crypto analyze, then you get from my side 20 crypto analysis in this membership, both next target or both enterprise target. Or you say, okay, I want to become a Bitcoin club member. That means you have all the access to all videos, yeah, video analysis. So in which you can make profit because these analyzers are not uh, I would say not free analyzers, random analyzers. No, these analyzers have clear targets. Let's look here to the QNT price. You can see in this chart that something is wrong here with QNT because you can see the price is going since them here to the downside. Yeah, we have here a falling wedge. It is good. The price could go easily like this to the upside. But now we have to look here more in detail to understand this. So let me look to the details. Then we can recognize that something is not good with this structure. Yeah. Let me look. We have here nearly also 95% finish. And you can see the last action. You can see the last action here. We try, really, we try to go out of range. Look here. This is the downtrend. And we try to go like this to the upside, but it will fail because this structure, you can forget this. This is a structure you have to run. That means the price have to fall or drop to new lows. So I would expect here $40. It will go relatively quick. People will lose here 50%. Yeah, but they are not members, so I'm not caring about these people because they not listen. So 50% to the downside. And then we have to look again because we have here two possibilities. One possibility is that the drop will continue, yeah, here, or we turning to the positive side. But this year we can look here in the membership because to analyze the QNT chart 100%, we need some another informations like what happens here at this level. So in some in some charts, this is also included. Yeah. So if you are interested, then we can look here exactly. Then it's relative clear how far the price can go. Also now is here clear. Yeah, I can say to you the nearly entire price target. But if I want to make here really good analyze, then we need more information. Yeah, so it is okay. I can predict. It's no problem. But I want to give my best so that you understand that I want to give here quality information. So what we have here, let me look. Let's look here to Stella. Then I want to finish. So we have not to discuss about Stella chart, same like XCP. The price of Stella will fly. If you want, we can throw here the end target. People are not realize how powerful this is. No financial advice. The price will go like this to the upside. I would say here 11, 12, 20 like this. Yeah, relative clear chart. Same like the XRP chart. Let me look. Yes. The reason is relative simple. You can see this from this hammer. You have a wonderful big hammer, but the hammer is not in the right time. Yeah, so this will used, yeah, later, but not now. Now this is negative. I know it's relatively complicated to understand the chart, but at the moment we have a negative situation. The reason is you can see the uptrend is broke here. Yeah, you can see clear the uptrend is broke. That's the reason why this is negative. Yeah. So this is give us a lot of information. Okay, negative, forget it. Yeah. But in the another hand, this give us also really good information. Okay. Later, very later, the price will explode. It's hard to understand, but good. I would make here let me look what we have here. Let's look to H bar and then Ethereum, then I would finish. Let me look. So what we have here, also wonderful, really good. Yeah. You can see we're trading here in this range. Yeah. And we will break out, relatively clear and simple. Yeah. We will break out and then it will go relatively quick because the price will break here down. But in my eyes, we will turn to these levels relatively easy. Yeah. So it can happen that we goes once again to the downside, and then the next move is like this. Yeah. Relative interesting, relative good. If you want here the end target, become member of the Wolf next target, then I can say this to you. Relative wonderful. So we're looking here to Ethereum. So the chart is negative. Yeah, you can see we make here our last retest. So target is $1. Let me look what we have here. Give me a little time. Yes, I would say target is 1,200. Then the price will go like this to the sideways, and then the crash to 800. Yeah. If you look to the 800 levels, let me look. The 800 will not stay so long. I think if I look to this chart, then I would expect that the Ethereum price is coming to relative low levels. Let me look what we have here. One possibility is we stay here at 700 levels, but I'm not like this, so I think we have the possibility that the price will stay what we have here. Yes, we have the possibility 1 in 4 the price can stay here at 500, 600 levels like this. Yeah, there's a one opportunity. Yeah, really here down and here sideways. Yeah, The benefit is if you see a structure like this, the next movement is like this, 3,200. So you have here the possibility from 400 to 3,000 to make really fat gains. How you can make this? Make them with the membership, because this kind of information you get here relatively exactly 3 weeks, or I would say 2 weeks earlier. As we have here enough time to get here the market very cheap and make your fat gains. This is one possibility. The another possibility is if we're testing the ground, then it's relative hard. Yeah. Because at the moment it's not clear. This is also possible $80, but I would say this year is possible 20% that the price drops here to zero levels, yeah, $80, $100. I think this is more realistic. The price is going to 700, 500, 600 levels. Yeah. And then the powerful uptrend in direction of here 10,000. Yeah. So I would say I finish the analyze. If you want more, become a member of the Wolf Next Target or Wolf M Price Target. Or if you say, I want to look to the all video analysis, then become, please, Bitcoin Club member. Then you have full access, yeah, to this video analysis from my side. Also to the another video analysis from other members. I would say I finish. Thank you for watching. I know it's a little bit late, but we are not normal people, you know. If you are interested in crypto, you have to open your eyes every every day. Yeah, so because every day can happen something, and that's the reason why I thank you for watching, because the time is late, so people sleep. So I would say have a nice day, have a good night. Thank you. Bye.